Yeah, you've been watching your auntie. You're gonna be a pro. What?
She's going back.
Yes.
Oh.
Trinity!
Over here. Come here.
We'll train horses.
The imaginary. Should I go run around?
Yes.
In circles?
You should.
You should totally. Don't know how to hold it up.
Trinity.
Oh.
Trinity run.
Oh no, you can't even videotape that. She'll get arrested for driving.
Ready, go.
Make her go.
Trot, horsey, trot. Come on, Lope, let's go. Faster.
Oh, America's Funniest Home Videos. That's gotta go on there. We should all be rich.
Come on, tell her, Trin. You tell her. Tell her, go faster, horsey.
There you go. Alcohol was used.
That's right, Trinity. Good girl. You tell her.
Oh my God, that's so cute. Beat her with a hook. Yeah, make her go back.
Yeah.
You still running around?
Kelly's missing out today.
Oh. Good job, Trinity. Yay, that horse is tired.
She's breaking a sweat. Yeah, you're funny. She's gonna hit you, Margaret.
I know.
She poked your eye out. Watch out.
Oh, you tell her. Tell her, go that way.
That's so cute that she figured out how to get it up.
Wait till your mama sees this.
Oh, that's
Your
funny.
mama's gonna die.
Oh, yeah, we got it.
Too bad I missed the other one, though.
Right where it smacked on top of the head.
Yeah.
Hit her again.
Hit her again. Come on, Trinity.
Oh, that's I can't believe she's still doing it. That's funny.
Oh, took a dive.
Oh my God, it's hot.
Yeah, take that. Watch out, Margaret. Oh, so pronouncing. I wish we had a mic on her. It would be so funny.